everyone, today we are going to discuss the solutions of the given questions. First problem is finding all special characters. Difficulty level easy. Problem statement: write a Python program using regular expression to extract all special characters that are not letters or digits from a given string. Input format: a single line string containing letters, digit, and or special characters. Output format: print a list of all special character found in the string. No special characters are found, print an empty list, right? We have constraint, it should be less than it shouldn't be less than 1 or greater than 1000. Length of string shouldn't be like this, and the string may contain uppercase and lowercase English letters A to Z, small or capital, digits 0 to 9, special characters such as @ hashtag, dollar, and all that special characters like that. Sample cases, they have provided us some sample cases, like if we put into input like hello @world as hashtag 2022, the output will come as like @hashtag, and there's exclamatory marks. Okay, when we put Python 1 2 3 4, right, we have said that we can take digits too. The output turns out to be a empty list, right? So for saving our time, I have already written the code. The code is, first of all, we have imported the module regular expression RE, like RE. Okay, then we are reading the input, the user that is giving the input, and then we are using the strip attribute for it. Then we are comparing it, by making the use of compile attribute, right? We have given like A to Z, capital A to Z, and small a to z, then 0 to 9. Then we are finding everything, finding if it is or not. Then we are printing it. If we are finding if there is special character, then we will be printing it. See, here's some test cases, right? Let's try it out here. So let's try it out. Yeah, let's put like let's copy it from here. Okay, control. Okay, I'm putting it, compile and run, right? Compilation successful. Now we're getting like $mark, underscore, @ and a hashtag sign, as we are supposed to get over here. Again, we are choosing this one. We are getting $, exclamatory marks, hashtag mark. Let's check it out. Yeah, that we were supposed to get. And the last one, we have this to check, right? Now checking it, we're getting an empty string because I missed r, this add r over here. Yeah, see, we are we again got an empty list because all we are looking at special character, and there's no special character over here. So here's the solution. Now moving on to the next question. The next question is valid date format, right? Difficulty medium level. Problem statement is, write a Python program using regular expression to check whether a date is in the valid format dd, mm, yy, right? dd, dates, like we can only go from 1 to 33, like we only have this much of a date in our months, right? Then month 1 to 12, only 12 months in a year, and a 4-digit year, right? Input format should be a single string representing the date. Output format should be printing valid or invalid date. If date is valid, then it should be printing valid date, otherwise it should be printing invalid date. We cannot have 32 as our date, so it will be printing 30 as an invalid date, right? Invalid date, right? Constraint, like the string must contain only digits and hyphen. We cannot add anything else rather than this. You need to check format, not actually you only need to check format, not actual calendar when means like that you don't need to check the condition that we have in our calendars, like well, for that validity you don't have to check it because we don't have 30th format 30th February, but we have to we can consider 30th February in our case right here. Okay, so here are some sample cases. We can like over here, like 12/4/2005, it's a valid date, right? 31/10 1999, it's invalid date, right? So for now for checking for us, for our thing, we have to code it. Now I have already written the code, so yeah, let's go. Let's explain it. First of all, import RE module, then take the input and then strip it, then again using strip attribute, then use the pattern variable to compile all your values. First of all, we have taken 1 to 0 for from 1 to 10 we are considering 0. Then for that, from day 1 to day 9 we are considering 0. Then after that 1 2 3 4 till 9, then again we are considering 1 to 2 like for considering from 11 12 to 19, then 20 to 29. For that we are considering 1 and 2, right? And again for the other part of 1 2 3 21 22 23, we are considering 0 to 9. Again for 30 we are considering 33 only, and now we only have 30 and 31. Okay, no other digit for that, so 1 30 and 0 1, right? Then we are considering a hyphen over here. Again for month 0 month for 1 2 3 and 4, like that. Again 1 to 9, because we have 1 to 9, we can add it. Then over here we are adding 1, then 10 11 12 for just like October, November and December. We have to consider this part, and here we can consider any digit from 0 to 9, but it should be in 4 limit, right? We made this for making it like it can take any digit, but it should be 4 values, right? So we are creating a loop here. We have to do if the pattern matches the date, we will be printing valid dates. If it doesn't, we will be printing invalid dates. So we have seen some cases. Now we have to check our own, right? So here's the test case. Let me try it. It's a valid date, obviously. Again, it will be a valid date, right? For this, it's invalid because we don't have anything after December, right? We have again January. See, it told us it's an invalid date. So here's the solution for question number 2. Let's hop on to the question number 3, right? The question number 3 says extract all email addresses from text. Difficulty level medium. Problem statement. Write a Python program using regular expression to extract all valid email addresses present in a paragraph of text, right? Input format should be a single line paragraph containing one or more email addresses mixed with text. Output format, a Python list of all the email addresses found. Constraint, the length of input should be between 1 to 500. Email may contain letters, digit, underscores, dot and hyphens. Domain must contain at least one dot, right? Some sample cases that are given, like contact us at support@456.com or sales _brand@shop.in for more information. Output should be a list that support@456.com, sales @brand@shop.in. Input, follow us, username underscore 45@gmail.com, or ninofo@store.org. It will result username underscore 45@gmail.com, comma ninofo@store.org. Now let's test it. We have already here we got our solution. Here we are importing RE module, then we are taking variable text and taking user input, and then we are stripping it, then we are creating a pattern to recognize what we are trying to get. There we have said that every word, we can include every word A to Z, like whole, it should be matching the whole word, right? It shouldn't be like in between or something, like not, it should be matching completely A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, right? Dot underscore hyphen. Then you are adding an @ of. For every email you need an @ of, right? A to Z, again smaller and bigger, again you are including dot and hyphen in the domain name too. In the local name you are including this, in the domain name you are including this, right? Then for what you say, extension name or something like .com and all that, you're saying that it should be only letters, right? Only letters A to Z or small a to Z, and it shouldn't be less than 2, right? It shouldn't be less than 2. Then you are finding all like you're giving some inputs, right? Then you are finding text, finding all the emails that it should be matching like this format. Then you're finding it in the text that you're given, like the user is giving. There you're putting the value, and then you're finding it and then printing. You're finding it via this and then printing it via this, right? Let's test the let's use the test cases. I have already tested it one time. Let me do it once again. Like I'm copying it from here, like first one. Okay. It says ITC cares @itc.in. See over here, it's a, you can say it's a website address, right? But here it's email, so it only printed this, right? Over here, sorry, over here it's printed. It says newsletterportal.com. Alright, let's check the last one. So here we got an empty list, right? Empty list because we don't have any emails over here. So that's for today. I hope you enjoyed learning regular expressions with us. See you soon. Bye.